Okay, I don't know whether you can hear and see us. Pitian, do you mind to just make sure you spotlight both the room and the conference room so that we see both on the website stream? Because I know those on the web, they like to see both at the same time, both us and what's happening in the room. I'm here with Marieva, and she is going to demonstrate from the start the assessment of this case, which I will introduce to you as she is continuing. So the patient has had a Barrett's esophagus, relatively long segment detected by a colleague, and has biopsied, I think, high-grade dysplasia. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are here as a kind of assessment situation.
As we said, I try to remove everything from here. Let's.
So that's a nice view. Maybe pause it. What's the issue?
Bubbles.
A lot of mucosa is not clean.
Yes.
Okay.
So I would now already put some lytic agents to clean.
So that's
it can go down and clean the rest.
The methicone is being added to the situation.
The patient is intubated, so I'm not worried a lot about.
I think that's a very important point to make.
Then I try to suck the air so that the methicone is going a bit up and down. So
already that's made a huge difference, right?
Yeah.
Now let's get our overview shot of this while we're going.
Just suck this.
Be careful not to suck the mucosa. I think it's very important because if you do, it can destroy our imaging for later. Okay. So in this case, we have not got an overview of the whole situation. Have we? Try to get one if it's possible. That requires maximum insufflation, I would say. See if you can do it. Maybe it's not possible here. You can start to see the gastric folds coming in the distance. Okay, so better. All right, better. And we don't see the top. With my kind of photographer's eye is telling me.
Yeah.
I would like to see all Barrett's, well, the proximal extent, caudal, cranial extent of the Barrett's in the image. Still not. Come on, let's go for gold. And the gastric folds as well. Yeah. One of the things that's very important in Barrett's later after this is that nice. So we see that there's not much extent past the circumferential extent of this Barrett's esophagus.
Yeah.
We don't see anything clearly visible. All right, let's continue the assessment. So, as I said before, I would like to do as